introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am, sure. And
Yeah.
I am Pradeep. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, and I'm currently
Okay.
doing my graduation in the Department of Civil Engineering. And coming to my hobbies, I love to read books, watch movies, web series, and yeah, listening to music is also. Yeah, I do these things in major when I was in and when I was leisure. Yeah, when I am leisure.
Okay, that's great. Regarding and I think I watched your session when you gave some messages. That time I was that I thought like that. Yeah, you're doing great. Even your speaking also is good. And what are you doing now this time for this learning English?
Uh, Thank you for the compliment, man. And yeah, I have also watched your sessions too. Yeah, you are doing great, and
Oh, that's
your English
thank
is
you.
your English seems good too. And yeah, actually, I'm at my home now. I am taking my online classes because of this pandemic, we were sent to our home.
Yeah,
Mm.
same. Yeah, same thing happened with me. Yeah, and.
And yeah, can you please tell me about something? Tell me something about yourself, man.
Okay, okay. Don't call me ma'am. I'm also like a student.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
Can I
feel
call
like
you
yeah,
Priya?
yeah. You should
Okay,
call
thanks.
actually.
Okay.
Yeah, actually I'm Priya from UP and I have done my graduation from Maharashtra College and I have done my MBBS. Now this time I'm doing my PG preparation for the actually entrance examination we know about like. So it's actually I wanted to improve my English, but I didn't get so much time. But because of
Yeah.
a postpone of my examination, so I thought now I do it and but I learn what I thought like that I'll start after some time, but the time didn't come for me, and then I thought now it's okay now I do now because of thinking like that if I'll do like that way and time will not come. And we know that whenever we go from higher education from step by step, so there are many studies going so hard, so we didn't get so
Yes.
much time. So I thought like now I got time, so I just joined that Flappingo app.
Clapping. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's suitable for me because whenever I want to do study, I want to learn English, so I just that's way I'll schedule my timetable and I do like that way.
Wow, that you are doing a great job because managing these many things is tough actually. But you
No,
are
I think
managing it
everyone,
in a
even
great
you
way.
are also doing. No, even you are also doing because you also doing a graduation and after that. So I also like inspired by you all people. Like when I started to, yeah, truly when I started to searching that for application about learning English. So I got Clappingo, Camly's, so I was there that many people is doing a great in their platform, and they are doing study also, and they are also learning. So that's why I inspired. If they people are doing, so we want to learn from them. So just
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Everybody has something to learn from ourselves or from the people around us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, same. And tell about what are you doing for speaking English? You are learning something different. Yeah, you are only doing a session. Could you tell me because we actually our audience also want it to know
Yes,
because
we are all learners. We are
yeah,
here to learn. We are here to improve our English. Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Actually,
exactly. Yeah,
yeah, everybody who is learning English has no environment because it is not our mother tongue, and also in our surroundings too there are no people to speak to practice English with. So I am
yeah,
approaching the people like you guys who are passionate to learn this language, passionate to speak this language. And yeah, I'm approaching the people to speak with me, and also some people are approaching me to speak
yeah,
with them. And yeah, I'm having conversations with them, and also along with that, I'm watching movies. Actually, I am not following any books to improve my spoken English.
Oh,
I just make sure that I just want. I mean, I'll just create the environment like watching the movies, English movies. Actually,
yeah.
yeah, in there is a channel, Star Movies. In the Star
Okay,
Movies,
okay. Yeah.
they're broadcasting different movies. Actually, I love to watch Disney movies, even I am 20.
Okay. Wow, that's great.
Cartoon movies. Yes, and
Cartoon
because
movies, yeah. Yeah,
yes, the language is simple and we can understand and we can motivate from that movies too. Yeah, we
mostly
get
like that in
motivation.
yeah, in cartoon movie like we enjoying so much. I think.
Yes, and Disney movies are the best for me, in my opinion. And yeah, and also Friends web series. Have you heard about Friends web series?
Yeah, 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 yeah. I had it.
Yeah.
I actually watched some session, but in my field, I'm not getting so much time, so I didn't see whole. But yeah, I watched the session. Yeah, it all. Everybody suggests that it is good session for
Yes.
improving, and also like the fun part is also there.
Yes.
That is like all. Yeah, I watched 2 3 times, so I knew that.
Wow,
And
that's good.
yeah, and what you said in Disney, I also watched because I also love to do. Actually, I love to watch cartoon and all. So that's way.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
And yeah, Friends is my favorite. Every day I make sure that I should watch even one episode from Friends. Yeah, because I
okay.
love it. I'm crazy fan of Friends. And do you know Parveen Khan, who is a tutor on Clappingo? Parveen
Yeah,
Khan, Miss Parveen Khan.
yeah, 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 yeah. I
Yeah,
did one session, but what unlucky for actually unlucky that time me because network is going like so bad. So I didn't connect in a proper way. So
okay.
yeah, but yeah, I got to know that she is very good. I think.
Yes, yes. Every speaker on Clappingo are experts in this language. Yeah,
Yeah,
every speaker.
yeah,
Yeah,
that.
in that session, Parveen Khan is one of my favorites. She is also a
So,
crazy fan of Friends, and you won't believe it. She has watched the Friends web series for like 10 times, more than 10 times. She is
oh
that
wow,
crazy.
great. Yeah, actually, you know that you given a good topic for us. The watching what is like you have an interest and you will watch and improve your skills. So it's good
Yes,
thing. And I think you only watching session and watching that series. You will learn from that language from
yes.
this session.
Yes,
Yeah,
and also I read books and listen to podcasts. I just want to create the English environment with me,
by
and
yourself.
yeah, while walking, yes, by myself, and I'll listen to the podcasts in the morning while I am walking to my fields. Yeah, actually I'm at home now. I'm a son of a farmer, so I should go to the fields, and on the way
Okay,
to the fields, I'll listen to the podcast and I'll
okay,
read newspaper. I read books too sometimes, but I used to read books, but not now. I don't know. But yeah,
that's great. Yeah.
I started reading again with the book, The 5 A.M. Club by Robin Sharma. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
I just
I actually
started.
read it. Yeah, I read.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is so
wow.
wonderful. Yeah, and it's good. Good things like that. You never get bored because it's like a one paragraph. Like
Yes,
define your like what we are thinking in real life. So
yes,
just they written all things. Yeah, I read. I think that Robin Sharma has a 3 book is there.
yes.
Yeah. So
Sorry,
I
could you
yeah.
please repeat? Uh, Robin
What?
Sharma? Could you please repeat that? I mean, about Robin Sharma.
Okay, actually, Robin Sharma written 3 books.
Okay.
So, My Famous Club and some Ferrari, I think, some
The monk
like
who
that.
sold Ferrari. The
Yeah,
monk
yeah.
who sold his Ferrari.
Conclusion. Yeah,
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 and
you're right.
also the 5 a.m. club and Who Will Cry When You Die.
Yeah,
It is
exactly.
also one of
Well,
the self-help books.
yeah, yeah. I read this book and I also reading this book, Shiv Kheda. You know that you can win.
Shiv Khera. I mean, You Can
Yeah,
Win by Shiv Khera.
you
Yes.
can. Yeah, yeah. It's
Yeah, I
actually it's also a good book. So I'm also
yes.
reading. And your actually and next book I forget. I read so much. Actually, I think 1 year ago. Then I read the subconscious mind is there. Power of subconscious mind.
By Joseph Murphy. Yeah,
Yeah. Oh wow,
yeah,
that's
yeah.
great. And everything.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not. Yeah, I also read these because these are all the famous popular books. I mean, million sold copies. So maybe most of the people know about the book. I think so.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Eh,
Actually, I'm
Yes,
also
those
looking
are
at it.
all. Yes, those all books are in my bucket list. I haven't read it, but yeah, I'm trying to complete it one by one.
Yeah, happen with me. I'm also like that way. I'm doing completing. No, it's not like I have done.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, how's your experience on clapping, woman? Clapping of Priya? I mean, how many
Yeah.
sessions have you
Actually, good
taken
thing.
till now?
Yeah, I think it was good for me. Even it is good for me because I didn't start, and when I started, then I know. And actually, I knew many things, but I'm doing so much mistake because I have a confidence on myself. But it's like that we never know that how where we are doing the mistake. So by Clappingo, and there are like so much expert who like always supporting you, and they corrected you, and by they correcting in a polite way, so it's a good thing for me.
Yes.
Hello,
Every,
yeah, I think
yes, yes,
the
yes, you're right.
is yeah,
Yes, you're right. Learning from our mistakes, and they will correct our mistakes and give some tips and tricks to improve our language. Yeah, those are good things.
yeah. Actually, no, what I learned that I'm okay. Then normal conversation, it's okay. But in normal conversation, I also doing some mistakes. So by Clappingo joining, so I knew about that what I'm doing and what I'm using in a incorrectly way. So they people always be support and define our and rectify our mistake also.
Yes,
It's good
yes,
for
you're
us.
so, yeah.
When you started clapping, how was like the session? How many session actually you done?
Actually, I have taken the subscription in its initial stages, like in the January 2021. I have taken the first subscription, but I haven't taken the second subscription. I just took one subscription. Yeah, and before taking the clapping sessions, I was nervous and I was hesitating to speak English. But after taking that and after taking the sessions with the different tutors on Clappingo, I get I got to overcome my fear, overcome my nervousness, um, and yeah. Now I can speak English I mean, I can speak English with everyone. I
Yeah,
gain a little bit
actually you're
confidence
speaking.
too.
Yeah, you're seeing like a confidence. You
Yeah,
improve
I can
lots.
see.
Yeah,
Yeah. I can see that change before taking the session on clapping and after taking them. It's worth taking, but nowadays the prices has risen. I mean, the price has
yeah,
increased.
because like popularity is going like so high, so everybody
Yes,
wants to come.
yes, because
But
users are increasing and also experts are increasing. Yeah, it is obvious to
yeah, but I also
increase
got that
price.
there are many person like you and all who like here learner. So it's good thing that after that getting you they want to conversation. So that's way you also improve by conversation with another people who are knowing by this platform. So it's a good thing, I think.
Yes, you're right. Yeah, you're correct.
Yeah.
And yeah,
So
nice. So
yeah, it's nice.
what do you do? I mean, what do you do to improve English? Yeah.
Actually, really, I really want to say that I don't have time. You know that even
Yeah.
you heard
Yeah.
about my conversation also that I'm doing
Yeah.
study from morning to like night. So I'm not getting so much time. But whenever I get chance now, so I want to watch everything in English, like news, like watch some web series, and also I already told you that I love to watch Disney also.
Yes,
So
yes, we are alike.
I
That's
really
great.
like to watch yeah cartoons. So that's it. So that
Uh,
way I actually yeah I'm improving. Otherwise I'm not getting the environment like you. So I thought like there are many persons who are doing a great without environment. So at we we have to inspire by themselves. So I think
yes, yes, I absolutely agree with you.
yeah yeah. And you all are doing a great here. So it's great.
Yeah, you too. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, you wanna tell something about an English what they people want because now what my question is there because everybody wants to improve but like a hesitation stress they are not able to speak and sometimes they people join and learn but after sometimes they left because of a lackness of a vocab and
Practice. Yes.
practice. So, what do you want to say about this? How like a journey of your and what do you want to motivate to people? I
Yes.
really want, yeah, because I really want to because there are many persons who learning English. So I and because of fear. So I want to know that and I also give message to them that no, you don't want to stop and all. So what do you want to give?
Yeah, we have all, I mean, we both are, yeah, not we both, and so many people have also crossed the line of hesitation because, yeah,
Yeah.
actually, I realized the importance of spoken English in this January 2021. Yeah, I thought that it's high time to speak English because we are all studying the English from our school itself, but we cannot speak. I mean, yeah, we haven't tried to speak because of the no environment like that.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, it's so because we hesitate because we think that we are going to make mistakes because it is not it is not our mother tongue, and yeah, maybe the people who are very good at English will make fun of us. Yeah, these are
Yeah,
the
exactly,
thoughts
exactly.
that stopped us for starting the speaking of English. Yeah,
Yeah,
but it's okay to make mistakes. Without making mistakes, we couldn't learn anything. Like yeah, yeah. Sorry,
yeah, I can
I'm not
understand.
getting
Yeah, without
yeah,
mistake, we never get to learn how to
anything.
speak
Yes,
because yeah,
even
if you do
e-
mistake, then after that you will get learn and you will
yes,
know that and thinking process also is going on. So
yes,
that's where we will develop more vocab and confidence and also like knowing that what is going right or wrong. Yeah.
yes, and also even walking, we learn walking by falling many times on the ground. Yeah,
Yeah.
like that, it's okay to make mistakes, and it's okay to fumble. It's okay to not getting the right words at the right time, but just start speaking. With if you, I mean, if we are not willing to speak others, we can speak ourselves by on camera or in front of the mirror. We can speak
Yeah.
ourselves. I mean, for
Yeah,
starting
if
the
you don't,
speaking of English.
yeah, if you don't
Yeah.
get an answer, you just talk to yourself with yourself in front of mirror, in
Yes.
front of yeah, yeah,
And also we
exactly.
can use the technology because there are some apps, audio apps. If we are not, if some people are not ready to have one-on-one video conversations, there are so many apps to uh, practice English in audio mode. There is one app, Ace Fluency, and it is
Okay,
also, yeah, it is one of the apps for English practice. And uh, if you get into that, it will connect to the speakers who are wanting to learn English. Yeah, we can practice English on a call, like we are having a call conversation on a call.
okay, yeah.
But
It
yeah,
was
there are some people who are misusing this app, but it's okay. Uh, if you are serious, I mean, if you are very serious to speak
actually
English, we just have to do it. Yeah,
yeah, it's okay. I can understand.
yeah,
Yeah,
these
it
are my
was yeah.
opinions
No, it
to
was
start
a
speaking
really
in English.
Yeah, it was really learnable and inspiration session for me, and I really learned
Yeah,
from
me either.
many things. So that's why it was a great day. And now I have
Yes,
done because I have to work now. So
yes. It's
great.
pleasure talking to you, Priya. I have a great, I got something to learn from you, and it's pleasure meeting you and have a conversation with you. Have a great day.
Same here. Thank you for this session, and take care. Okay.
You
Then
too.
yeah, in the future, if we'll get time, then we will do again some session also on
Sure,
some topic. Yeah,
sure. I can't wait to. Yeah, I am ready to have a conversation with you.
yeah, sure. Okay then. Bye.
Bye. Take care, Priya. Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you, and you too.
Yeah, thank you.